Siguradong pasok yan. Yan ang nga lang ang masasabi mo, especially the fans of SB19 kapag nag-release sila ng kanta. Dahil ang kanta po ng SB19 ay laging nasa Billboard World Chart. Katulad na lamang nito, Review. SB19 extends its record as the Filipino artist with the most entries on Billboard World Digital Song Sales Chart, 7 songs. So, nag-number 1 po ang Damn 2025. Ang umaaligid naman ay nag-number 4 sa Billboard World Chart. Number 6 naman ang Visa, kung saan nilabas nito kamakailan lamang ngayong 2026. Number 7, Dungka, 2025. Number 8, Gento, 2023. At number 9, Wakas, 2026. And number 9, Burn the Flame from Honor of King, 2025. At grabe, patuloy na pinapakinggan ang Wakas. Samantala, key aspect of the World Digital Sales Chart. Focus, it measures pure sales, meaning digital purchases from digital music retailers rather than volume-weighted streaming data. Data source, Luminate tracks sales from major digital retailers. Tracking cycle, sales are tracked on a Friday to Thursday cycle with a chart released on Tuesday. Scope, while titled World, it specifically ranks performance within the United States market. Exclusions, it does not include streaming like Spotify, YouTube, or radio airplay. It only counts paid downloads. Unlike the Billboard Hot 100, which uses a multi-metric consumption model, streams plus sales or radio, the World Digital Song Sale Chart highlights songs with high volume download sales, which is often influenced by dedicated fandoms. Kaya nga iba ang lamang dahil ang SB19 ay lamang na lamang sa pagmamahal ng kanilang fans. Ang 18. Kahit na nga marami ang sikat famous na famous at kilala sa buong mundo, wala silang 18 na talaga namang laging nakasuporta at nakasubaybay sa lahat ng ganap ng mga bano. Well, mga 18, anong masasabi nyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section dahil yan po ay mahalaga sa amin. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.